teaches undeniable, astounding, and manifest heresies. One of the ways by which he has convinced so many that he is a conservative is that among these astounding heresies in his writings, there are many conservative passages. But this is nothing new. Pope Pius VI pointed out that heretics inspired by the devil have always used such tactics to inculcate heresies and deceive people. Pope Pius VI pointed out that camouflaging the heresies in statements that are ambiguous or seemingly conservative or contradictory was the tactic of the heretic Nestorius, and that Catholics cannot allow heretics to get away with this or deceive them by it. They must hold such heretics to their heresies regardless. Heretics have always used ambiguity and deception to insinuate their heresies and make them seem not quite as bad. In fact, the more deceptive the heretic is, usually equates to how successful he is for the devil. The heretic Arius effectively spread his denial of the divinity of Christ because he impressed them with his appearance of asceticism and devotion. Pope Pius VI taught that if someone veils a heresy in ambiguity, a Catholic must hold him to the heretical meaning and denounce the heretical meaning which is camouflage in ambiguity. But this is only common sense. If a man says that he is against abortion, but repeatedly votes in favor of it, he is a supporter of abortion and a heretic. The fact that he sometimes claims to hold church teaching against abortion means nothing. Likewise, the fact that Benedict XVI says some conservative, ambiguous, or contradictory things doesn't change the fact that he teaches astounding heresies and is not a Catholic. Benedict XVI is one of the most wicked men in human history, for he alleges to wield the authority of the Church of Christ while teaching that one is free to deny Jesus Christ.